Welcome back, guys. Today we are discussing poor decisions making. But before that, please hit that subscribe button. Every day we are faced with decisions. Some are simple: what to eat, what to wear, while others carry the power to shape our future. Yet, not all decisions lead to positive outcomes. At times, we find ourselves making choices we later regret. This pattern, known as poor decision making, can quietly affect our success, relationships, and overall well-being. The good news is that poor decision-making is not a fixed trait. It is a habit that can be understood, improved, and transformed. Poor decision-making often begins with a lack of clarity. When we don't fully understand a situation, our choices become rushed or based on incomplete information. Instead of thinking things through, we may act impulsively, guided by emotions rather than logic. Fear, anger, excitement, or pressure can cloud our judgment, leading us to decisions that feel right in the moment but prove harmful in the long run. Another major cause is overthinking. While careful thinking is important, excessive analysis can lead to confusion and indecision. When we constantly doubt ourselves or imagine worst-case scenarios, we may either delay making a decision or choose the safest option rather than the right one. This hesitation can cause missed opportunities and increase stress. Past experiences also play a role. If someone has faced repeated failures or criticism, they may develop a lack of confidence in their ability to decide wisely. This self-doubt can lead to relying too much on others or avoiding responsibility altogether. In some cases, people repeat the same poor decisions simply because they are familiar, even if they are harmful. Social influence is another powerful factor. Friends, family, and society can shape our decisions, sometimes pushing us toward choices that do not align with our true values. The desire to fit in or gain approval can lead to decisions that feel uncomfortable or inauthentic. So, how can we break this cycle and improve our decision making? The first step is awareness. Recognize your patterns. Do you tend to act impulsively? Do you overthink? Do you rely too much on others? Understanding your habits is the foundation for change. Once you are aware, you can begin to make conscious efforts to respond differently. The next step is to slow down. Not every decision needs to be made immediately. Taking a moment to pause allows you to think clearly and consider your options. Ask yourself important questions. What are the possible outcomes? What are the risks? Does this align with my values and goals? This simple pause can prevent many mistakes. Gathering information is also crucial. Good decisions are based on knowledge. Before making a choice, try to understand the situation fully. Seek advice if needed, but be careful not to depend entirely on others. Ultimately, the decision should feel right to you. Learning to manage emotions is another key factor. Emotions are natural, but they should not control your decisions. When you feel overwhelmed, give yourself time to calm down before choosing. Decisions made in moments of intense emotion are often the ones we regret the most. Building confidence is equally important. Trust in your ability to make decisions grows with practice. Start with small choices and gradually take on bigger ones. Even if you make mistakes, view them as learning experiences rather than failures. Each mistake teaches you something valuable and helps you improve. Setting clear goals can also guide better decisions. When you know what you want to achieve, it becomes easier to evaluate your options. Decisions that align with your goals become clearer, while those that don't become easier to avoid. It is also helpful to accept that no decision is perfect. There will always be some level of uncertainty. Waiting for complete certainty can lead to inaction. Instead, focus on making the best possible choice with the information you have at the time. Finally, reflect on your decisions. After making a choice, take time to evaluate the outcome. What worked? What didn't? What would you do differently next time? This reflection helps you grow and strengthens your decision-making skills over time. Overcoming poor decision-making is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming more mindful, more aware, and more intentional. It is about learning from your experiences and trusting yourself to grow. In the end, your life is shaped by the choices you make. Each decision is an opportunity to move forward, to learn, and to become better. And when you begin to choose with clarity, patience, and confidence, you don't just change your decisions, you change your direction. And ultimately, you change your life.